Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect SocialGood to Coinbase Wallet. First, ensure both applications are installed on your device and updated to their latest versions. This guide will walk you through the process, making it easy to manage your SocialGood tokens within your Coinbase wallet. We'll cover everything from initial setup to confirming your successful connection, ensuring a seamless experience for your crypto assets. Before connecting, make sure you have both the SocialGood application and Coinbase wallet installed and fully set up. It's crucial to complete any necessary verification steps within each app to avoid interruptions. Always keep your recovery phrases or private keys secure and accessible, as they are essential for managing your digital assets. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure linking process. To link your accounts, open the SocialGood app and find the option to withdraw or transfer your tokens. You'll then select the external wallet option and choose Coinbase Wallet from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection, which usually involves confirming details within your Coinbase wallet. Always double-check the recipient address to ensure your funds go to the correct place. Once connected, you can easily view and manage your SocialGood tokens directly within your Coinbase wallet. This integration simplifies tracking your assets and reviewing transaction history. Remember to always practice good security habits, like enabling two-factor authentication. For more great content and to explore other deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. It's a fantastic way to read anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.